Today we're driving the all-new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. We are in a TRD off-road with the 6-speed manual, and we are at the beginning of a wonderful off-road trail. So, 4-wheel drive, 6-speed manual, locking rear diff, double wishbone front suspension, multi-link rear suspension with a coil spring. No leaf springs in these higher trims. That's pretty cool. We are riding on a set of 265 70R17 BF Goodrich trail terrain all-terrain tires. Kind of a little bit more of a highway-oriented all-terrain, but they should still do pretty well out on the trail today. Let's get behind the wheel, take this for a drive. We've got Gabe in the passenger seat, and he's going to show us the way. Make sure we're safe over the radio, and we'll set off and do our thing. No crawl control or multi-terrain select in this, but we do have a locking rear diff, a disconnectable front sway bar, and a few different drive modes, though once we're in 4 low, that doesn't really matter anymore. So we'll stay in 4 high to start, but we'll probably want to switch into 4 low pretty early on. All right, parking brake should disable as soon as we set off, and off we go, 4 high.
Awesome.
We do have the camera system in this Tacoma. That is nice.
Coming up the hill.
I love how much the shifter bounces around.
I know. I'm with you, man. It's like old school truck.
It is.
That's what I dig about it.
It's happy out here. It feels at home.
Heck yeah.
Suspension soaks up all the bumps.
I'm with you. Yeah, no, it's very comfortable riding.
Yeah.
Biggest problem I have, I feel like I want to go to sleep because it's relaxing.
Yep.
And this is what I love about a manual right here.
Ah, a little bit of a
Well, you can
hill
just leave it
hold.
in first and hit your clutch, let it roll.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Hill start assist.
Nice.
There we go.
Excellent job on the clutch. A lot of people burn it right there. There you go.
When I learned to drive a manual, my dad put me on a dirt hill.
Nice.
He said, don't spin the tires, don't stall, don't burn the clutch.
Basically, like, don't suck.
That was the final
Thanks,
test.
Dad.
I was like the final boss, you know.
That's awesome.
All right, so we're in neutral. Let's go into 4 low. We'll play around a little bit here.
And usually your clutch, push the clutch all the way in.
All right, and then it'll.
Yep.
I've heard it. I felt it. Cool. There we go. All right, so actually we'll just second gear start up this hill. Should be good to go. Cameras turn off at about 10 miles per hour. Otherwise, we can see everything in front of us, which is great. Got a bit of a rock garden here.
Yeah, sorry.
We'll just idle through. Sorry, what were you gonna say?
Oh, just this guy.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, watch
I
out.
get close to that guy.
Yeah. I look like I'm about right here.
Yeah,
All right,
you're
cool.
good.
I love these side cameras too, because you can really see
Yeah.
your
And
extremities.
I love how you can do that.
Oh yeah, you can zoom in a little bit.
Yep.
Yep. There we go.
Nice.
Just idling along here, and
Perfect.
oh,
You're good.
there we go. Nice. And then this is down slightly to the left. And the best thing about 4 low and first is you can just all pedals off, let it idle down.
Yeah, it's like driving a tractor.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hop in the back, let it coast along where you're throwing hay bales out.
Industrial. Yeah, it feels great. I think honestly the most impressive thing about the new Tacoma this week has been coil suspension is really good. On-road, off-road, it's just so supple, compliant, well controlled. And then this 2.4 turbo it's torquey.
Yeah.
A little bit less power in this manual truck, 270. A little bit less torque, but it still feels good. All right, I might lock a rear diff. Second gear, 4 low. We'll go through here. Oh, and we are gonna run the first section with a sway bar, front sway bar connected, and then we're gonna disconnect that front sway bar halfway through. So notice how much the truck is rolling right now. And And then, once we get through, disconnect. Notice how much less it's rolling, if you can even tell on camera.
You can definitely feel it in here.
Yeah. Easy, no drama.
Yeah, dude, that is sweet.
And it's pretty impressive.
Well, I love straight axle stuff.
Yep.
It's awesome that you get the on-road drivability with the IFS, and then you can disconnect it just to have as much flex. It's pretty cool.
No, it makes a big difference. Yeah, it's hard to beat a solid front axle for rock crawling, but
100%.
yeah, this is the next best thing.
For sure.
All right, into second. Into third. 10 miles an hour.
Had good pickup. Good
Yeah,
torque on that.
not bad.
I think it peaks what'd you say? 15, 16?
Yeah, there's
It's really low on the torque.
there's a boost gauge, yeah, on one of these menus. Take a wider line here.
Perfect.
Yep. Yeah, it's just a cool truck. I mean, these are still pre-production units. The door panels aren't quite textured or finished yet. That's not production. That's prototype stuff right there, but that's okay. I'm sure we'll see some in dealers soon with final cladding. Got a bit of a angle here. We're gonna go into first. About 30 degrees, maybe a little bit less than 30 degrees there. Roll, tilt, inclinometer gauges right there underneath the camera. Probably unlock our diff for this stuff.
You've driven both. What one do you like better?
Oh man, my heart says manual, my head says automatic. It's hard. It's hard to choose.
Yeah.
Yeah, the manual's so engaging and so much fun, but
Right.
the auto's so refined and smooth. And
Good
it's just a
point.
really nice driving experience. It's about 27, 28 degrees there.
Yeah.
Unlocked the diff. Seems to get through it with relative ease. Ooh, yeah, some good
About
angle.
29. Yeah.
29, yep. What's the tipping point? Probably
No, I'm not
30s,
too sure.
30s,
Yeah, I'd say mid 30s.
closer to 40.
Yeah, closer to 40. Yeah, it feels fairly planted. I'd push it around there.
Oh yeah. About 10.7 inches of ground clearance here. And it's blind crusts like these that
That's
make
what I love
cameras
that thing.
come in handy.
You know one cool thing? I love how big that is, and it doesn't take any of your vision away.
Yeah, no, it's
Which is awesome.
perfectly placed here.
Yeah.
Now, I mean, you feel like you're doing the driving with this manual, whereas with the auto, crawl control's amazing. It does some awesome stuff, but it does take away a little bit of that involvement.
Yeah. That's a great way to put it.
Yeah. Let's see if we can make this one here.
You nailed it.
Easy. Even with the diff locked. All right. Just got to be patient between those gates.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure you're on flat.
Yeah. Not a GR86 or GR Corolla. Into third. driving a back road in slow motion.
Yeah.
I was just out on Mulholland.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a sweet road.
Oh, it's amazing. Yeah. All right, guys, there's an off-road loop in the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road 6-speed manual. We'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the drive here. Go check out some of the other videos that I've posted to the TheTopher channel.
At the intersection coming to the test. All clear.
Man, you're really moving that thing. Yeah, it's starting to flow with you now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you really get into rhythm with this manual. It takes some calibration to get used to, but it's fun.
You're picking up fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's the third manual I've driven today, so.
All right, that helps
you know,
a little bit.
It does.
But no, you're smooth with it. You're quick. You know how to use the tool. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks. All right, we'll reconnect our front sway bar, unlock that diff. Yeah, you can immediately feel a difference in ride quality.
Yeah. All right, coming down the hill.
All clear.
Thank you. All right.
Sweet.
Yeah, man. Good ride. Thanks.
Yeah, that was awesome. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem at all. You guys are keeping us from getting real jobs, so I appreciate it.
Yeah. No, this is a day well spent, that's for sure.
Yeah. Good venue, good product, good
Yep.
stuff going on. Yeah,
Yep.
it's a win. Yeah, it's a cool truck.
I'm most impressed with the suspension tuning. It was really soft out there. It felt really good. Curious to see what it does at higher speeds, but cool looking color, nice looking wheels. A little bit of recess to that valve stem, that's nice. And there's the 2.4 turbo. No hybrid vehicles on our drive today. That engine powertrain will be released next year, and we'll get some drive time in that after the new year. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. That'll be a drive in the new Tacoma TRD Off-Road manual. We'll come back with some more videos in this drive event from the TRD Off-Road Automatic, the manual, other trim versions, limited, sport, etc. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Take care.